Toyota just did something the entire truck industry has been too scared to attempt: release a genuine body-on-frame pickup truck that starts at just $12,000 and brings real capability to buyers who've been completely priced out of the market. If you've watched compact truck prices climb past $30,000 while utility keeps shrinking, the Hilux Champ is about to solve every single frustration you have with the segment. While competitors keep building expensive crossovers with tiny beds and calling them trucks, Toyota engineered a configurable workhorse with a 7.2-foot bed option that costs less than half what rivals are charging. Anything you need, it can be. Most pickups force you into their mold. You get what the manufacturer decided to build, whether it fits your needs or not. The Hilux Champ is taking a completely different route, and configurability is going to be its secret weapon. Toyota is bringing this truck to market with traditional pickup variants, complete with cargo beds in different lengths. But that's just the beginning. The real game changer is the chassis cab configuration. Picture this: you've got a specific business idea, maybe a mobile coffee shop or a contractor service, but every truck you look at forces you to gut the bed and start from scratch, wasting money on features you'll never use. The Hilux Champ solves this frustration by arriving as a half-finished platform, a blank canvas waiting for you to complete according to your exact requirements. Need a food truck? Done. Ice cream business? Perfect platform. Emergency services are getting attention too. Ambulances, fire response units, utility vehicles for municipalities, all of these applications are on the table. Toyota already demonstrated this versatility in Thailand, partnering with third-party companies to showcase various configurations. North America is getting the same treatment. Local upfitters will have access to the chassis cab platform, meaning the possibilities extend far beyond what Toyota builds at the factory. That level of flexibility simply doesn't exist in the compact truck segment right now. Competitors offer different trim levels and maybe a few accessory packages, but fundamental modifications to the vehicle's purpose? Not happening. Toyota recognized that gap and built an entire business model around filling it. Configurability means nothing if the truck can't actually haul what you need it to carry, and that's where the Hilux Champ separates itself even further from the competition. Utility that makes the difference. Anyone who's tried loading a full sheet of plywood into a compact truck knows the sinking feeling when it doesn't fit. You're left hanging the tailgate open, tying down materials, and hoping nothing shifts on the drive home. Check the compact pickup segment and you'll find a disturbing trend. Beds measuring just 4.5 feet have become the standard. That's barely enough for weekend projects, let alone serious work. The Hilux Champ is arriving with dimensions that actually matter. 2 bed lengths are coming to the US market, and both of them deliver genuine utility. The shorter configuration measures 5.9 feet, already leaving competitors in the dust. But Toyota didn't stop there. The extended bed stretches to 7.2 feet, matching what you'd expect from a full-size truck. That's the kind of capacity that changes how you approach every job. Plywood sheets, lumber, construction materials, everything fits without hanging over the tailgate or requiring creative loading solutions. When you're running a business or handling regular hauling duties, those extra feet of bed length translate directly into productivity. Fewer trips mean lower fuel costs and more time for actual work. Compare this to the Maverick's 4.5-foot bed or even the Santa Cruz's limited capacity. Both vehicles require constant compromises about what you can carry. The Hilux Champ eliminates those calculations. Even the shorter bed configuration outperforms what rivals offer, and the extended version competes directly with mid-sized trucks that cost significantly more. Cargo capacity is one thing, but being able to carry that weight without the truck falling apart is something else entirely, which is exactly why Toyota went a completely different direction with how this thing is built. Genuine pickup truck. There's a reason seasoned contractors pass on most compact trucks. Push them hard enough, load them heavy enough, and the limitations of crossover-based construction become painfully obvious. The Hilux Champ takes the opposite approach, and the difference is going to be immediately obvious to anyone who uses it for actual work. This truck rides on a body-on-frame platform, the exact same architecture that underpins the larger Hilux. Toyota is using proven truck bones, scaled appropriately for the compact segment. The chassis brings legitimate capability, not crossover pretensions dressed up with rugged styling. When you're loading heavy equipment or towing substantial weight, that structural foundation makes all the difference. Suspension setup follows the same philosophy. Instead of tuning a car-based system to handle occasional truck duties, the Hilux Champ gets purpose-built suspension designed for consistent work. The ride quality reflects this commitment. It's firm enough to handle payload without sagging, compliant enough to absorb rough terrain without beating you up. Off-road capability is another area where the body-on-frame design proves its worth. When the pavement ends and you're facing rutted trails or construction sites, articulation and ground clearance determine whether you push through or turn back. The Hilux Champ is bringing genuine off-road credentials that match trucks costing twice as much. Durability becomes the final piece of this puzzle. Body-on-frame trucks take abuse that would destroy unibody competitors. The separated structure allows the frame to flex and absorb impacts while the body remains intact. For businesses relying on their trucks daily, that durability translates into lower maintenance costs and longer service life. That rugged foundation is impressive, but none of it matters if you're constantly stopping for fuel, which is where the powertrain options get really interesting. Hybrid powertrain. The Thai market Hilux Champ launched with gasoline and diesel engines, both designed for simplicity and reliability. North America is getting a slightly different menu, one that reflects local preferences and emissions requirements. Base models will stick with conventional gasoline power, keeping the entry price low and maintenance straightforward, but the real excitement sits in the hybrid configuration that's coming to the US lineup. Here's where things get interesting for anyone watching fuel costs eat into their profit margins month after month. The hybrid setup is targeting combined ratings that should easily surpass 40 miles per gallon. For comparison, most gas-only compact trucks struggle to break 30 miles per gallon, even in ideal conditions. Run the numbers on a truck driving 15,000 miles annually, and that efficiency gap saves over 100 gallons of fuel per year. Those savings add up fast, especially when you're operating multiple vehicles or covering serious distance for work. Performance isn't taking a back seat to efficiency. The electric motor provides instant torque, filling in the gaps where small displacement gas engines typically struggle, merging onto highways, passing slower traffic, climbing grades with a loaded bed. All of these situations benefit from the hybrid's power delivery. The system responds immediately, no waiting for revs to build or transmissions to downshift. Toyota's hybrid systems have established a strong reliability record over the past 2 decades. The Hilux Champ is benefiting from that experience, receiving proven technology rather than experimental powertrains. For buyers worried about long-term costs, that track record provides reassurance. Battery replacements aren't looming at 60,000 miles, and the system's components are designed to match the vehicle's overall service life. All these features paint an impressive picture, but the real question everyone wants answered is when they can actually buy one and how much it's going to cost. Release date and price. The US launch is happening next year, and Toyota is bringing pricing that's going to shock the market. The chassis cab configuration starts at approximately $12,000. $12,000 for a genuine truck platform that you can customize however your business requires. That entry price sits so far below anything else in the segment that it creates an entirely new category. Standard pickup configurations will cost more naturally. Adding a finished bed and related components increases the price, but even the complete truck is landing well below every competitor. The Maverick starts around $27,000. The Santa Cruz asks even more. The Hilux Champ is delivering superior utility for thousands less, fundamentally changing the calculation for anyone shopping compact trucks. Lower entry costs mean more buyers can access truck capability without stretching their budgets. Small businesses operating on tight margins, contractors just starting out, rural buyers needing work vehicles. All of these customers have been priced out of new truck ownership in recent years. The Hilux Champ is bringing them back into the market. Toyota understands they're entering a segment hungry for exactly what this truck offers: genuine capability at a price that makes sense. The combination of low cost, high utility, and proven reliability positions the Hilux Champ to capture significant market share quickly. Competitors built their business models around premium pricing and crossover platforms. Toyota is attacking from below with a product those rivals can't match without completely rethinking their approach. The Hilux Champ represents everything the compact truck segment should have been from the start. Instead of compromising capability for profit margins, Toyota built a genuine body-on-frame truck with bed lengths that actually work, configurability that serves real business needs, and hybrid efficiency that cuts operating costs in half. Starting at $12,000 for the chassis cab and remaining affordable even in standard pickup form, this truck is bringing buyers back into the market who've been priced out for years. Competitors could either match this approach or watch their market share disappear to a truck that actually delivers what working people need. With everything said, it's pretty clear that the new Hilux Champ is going to be a massive hit, and rivals know that very well. That's why the Maverick Hybrid is getting major updates for the next year, and you can check them out in our next video. Standard all-wheel drive, increased towing capacity, and enhanced off-road potential are just some of the things worth mentioning.